Dear student, today I will discuss about diffusion pressure. First, I will repeat about diffusion. We know that diffusion is the net movement of molecules from higher concentration region to lower concentration region. We know that molecules of any matter are always in motion. But this motion is fast in gas and liquid. Due to this motion, kinetic energy develops, and due to kinetic energy, a potential pressure is exerted, and consequently, the movement of molecules of solution occur from higher concentration region to lower concentration region, and this type of pressure is called diffusion pressure. Now, I am just repeating this diffusion pressure. Due to kinetic energy of the molecules, a potential pressure is exerted. That means a potential pressure is the result of kinetic energy, and consequently the movement of molecules of solution or gas from higher concentration region to lower concentration region occur, and this type of pressure is called diffusion pressure. Diffusion pressure is important for occurring diffusion process. Example of diffusion is spread of scent all around the room. This is a practical example, and it is always practiced in our everyday life. Thank you, everybody.